Good morning, students. I welcome you again in the economics chapter, that is the chapter 3, and the topic is money and credit. In this chapter, we are going to discuss the different concepts of money. Have you ever imagined, students, when money was not there, then how things were exchanged, how things were transferred? As you can see in the picture, there are two persons standing with their own goods. One is having apples and another is having hen. So both these person they are exchanging the goods without the use of money. So in the olden days, barter system was there. What do you mean by barter system? Barter system means exchange or transfer of goods without the use of money. It means when money was not introduced, then things were exchanged in place of things without the use of money. Now, the main feature of barter system at that time was double coincidence of want. Double coincidence of want is both sides have to want what the other side has. It means when both the parties agree to sell and buy each other commodities. That is called barter system. But there were some limitations, some drawbacks, some difficulties were there in barter system. The main difficulty was that lack of double coincidence of want. As earlier, just now we have discussed that double coincidence of want mean when both the parties agree to sell and buy each other commodities. But it was not necessary that always both the party sell and buy each other commodities. For example, a person who is selling wheat, he want to buy the shoes, but the person who is selling shoes, he don't want to buy the wheat. So there was a lack of double coincidence of want. It means both the person they were not agree to sell and buy each other commodities every time. Then second limitation was that lack of common measure of value. Means when a person want to sell his goods and another person also want to sell his goods, maybe the value of both the goods are not equal. Some goods were of more value than the other. So this was the problem faced under barter system. Another limitation of barter system was difficulty in transportation of commodities. Students, at that time there were no transport systems, so there was a problem to transport the goods from one place to another. That's why this barter system does not succeed up to long time. So to solve the problem of this double coincidence of want, money was invented. Now the turn is of assignment. These assignments you have to do in master notebook. What is barter system? Double coincidence of want? What are the limitations of barter system? And why money was invented? So students, tomorrow again we will here to discuss some more concepts of money and credit.